Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Dholakiya from Smt.R.S.Kalaria Primary School. Welcome to YouTube channel. Today we will learn Maths of Standard 5, chapter number 14, How Big, How Heavy from Math Magic. Now it is on page number 187. Sarika collects things like marbles, coins, eraser, etc. She takes some water in a glass and marks the level of water as 0. If I drop 5 marbles in the glass, can you guess what will be the level of water? She is talking with a boy and she is asking that if I insert 5 marbles in the glass, what will be the level of the water? Now the boy is saying, I think this much, means you can see in the picture he is showing that the volume of water will be this. She drops 5 marbles in the glass. She marks the new level of water as a 5 marble. Now again she will insert, she will put the marbles in the glass. Oh, how did you guess? Do you know the volume of the marble? Now she is asking to boy that how you have guessed. The boy is replying, I just made about how much water will be pushed up by marbles. How do you find the volume? Now children, if we put anything in the glass of water, it will require the place to be in the glass. So, to required place, the water of the volume of the water will come up, or you can say level of the water will come up. Same way here, the girl is putting marbles in the glass. So, if you put a marble in the glass, the volume of the or level of the water comes up. Why? Because marble needs a space in the glass. So, it will increase. The level of the water will increase. Moving further, see, each marble pushes up some water, right? Now here she is telling that marbles is pushing up some water. That is because it takes up some space which is its volume. So whatever the space taken by them will be its volume. Now moving further, your measuring glass. Now you make a guess. Do you think the volume of 10 5 rupees coins will be more than that of 10 marbles? Now in this what you have to do? You have to take 5 rupees coins, 10, and you have to take 10 marbles. You have to do it practically. You have to insert the marbles and you have to insert the coins. Then you need to compare whether both are equal or it will be more. Okay? So next, guess the volume of each of these. Now here glass is given to us. We will guess according to that. A bowl is nearby dash marbles. So it can be 20 because the weight of bowl is heavy. So number of marbles will be more. And eraser is nearly dash marbles. Eraser is light in weight. So it may take 2 marbles. A lemon is nearly 3 marbles. Here we are guessing. It can be more or less also. A pencil is nearly 2 marbles. A potato is nearly 10 marbles. Why? Because the weight of potato is more. So, number of marble we will require more. Now, same way, put each thing in measuring glass and check your guess. First we have to guess, then we have to put these things in the glass and we have to check whether our guess is correct or no. Now, try with different things like matchbox, a stone, etc. and fill in the table. The matchbox floats. How do I find its volume? Let's fill it with sand or nails. Now you can see in the table name of the thing is given and its volume, nearly how many marbles. We have to compare with the marbles. So first is matchbox. If we take matchbox, it will require approximately 7 marbles. Stone, approximately 5 marbles. Sharpener, 2 marbles. And tomato, 4 to 5 marbles. As I told you, we are guessing over here. It can be more or less also. Next topic is which has more volume? Can you tell me the volume of 6 marbles in milliliter? Now again they are talking with each other and asking the volume of marble in milliliter. The boy is replying, yes, if we make a measuring bottle. Now we have to think that the way for making measuring bottle which can measure 10 liter, 20 liter, 30 liter, 60 ml and so on. Tariq and Molly made their measuring bottles. Now this girl and boy has made their own measuring bottles. Tariq had an injection. He used it to make his measuring bottle. Molly used an empty medicine bottle. In that we can always see that empty medicine bottle, the measure, that is liter and milliliter, some part of that is given to us. Now boy is saying, I took 5 milliliter once in my injection. I filled it twice to mark 10 ml on my bottle. So girl is replying, I used this bottle which measures 10 ml to make my measuring bottle. Molly used her measuring bottle to find the volume of 5 rupees coin. She found that 9 5 rupees coin push up 10 ml of water. Now if she want to push up the water, she will require 9 5 rupees coin. So you can also use 9 5 rupees coin to make your measuring bottle. Now here we have to find out few things. What is the volume of 6 marbles? So we have to take 6 marbles and we have to measure. It will be 7 ml. Next, what is the volume of 16 1 rupee coin? Now we have to insert 1 rupee coin and we have to find out volume of the coin. It will be 19 ml. Now solve these in your mind without doing or without practically we are measuring. We have to give the answer. The volume of 24 marble is, we can say it can be 28 ml approximately. The volume of 32 1 rupee coin can be 36 ml. Our next topic is how many can fit in. Here you can see the picture of cube. This cube whose sides are 1 centimeter each. Now you see your mathematics book is 1 centimeter high. So guess how many such centimeter cubes will take the same space as your math magic book. Now let us practice. Practice time. A stage is made with 5 math magic book. Here is the question 1. The volume of this stage is same as dash centimeter cubes. So here we have to match for 5 math magic book. So 5 multiplied by 5, 40, that will be 2700. Question number 2. Now guess the volume. Here we have to guess the volume. First, match box. Now if we see at match box, The length of the matchbox is 6 cm and breadth is 4 cm. So volume of matchbox can be L into B, 6 into 4, that can be 10 cm. Second, geometry box. Length of geometry box is 16 cm, breadth is 6 cm. Here we have guessed these measures. So volume can be L into B, 16 into 6, 96 cm. Third, an eraser. Length 2 cm, breadth 1. Volume, length into breadth 2 into 1, 2 cm. Next topic is packing cubes. Ganesh and Dinga want to pack 4000 cm cubes in the boxes. These are to be sent to a school. There are 3 different boxes available for packing. Here you can see the picture of these 3 boxes. Dinga is talking to Ganesh and they are talking that will we be able to fit all 4000 cubes in these 3 boxes? I think we need one more box for this. Ganesh is saying, I think there is enough space in these boxes to pack all 4000 cubes. Now Ganesh is saying, first look at box A. In the first layer, we can arrange 20 multiply 10, that is 200 cubes, and 6 such layers can be packed. So in box A, we can arrange 200 into 6, that is 1200 cubes. Now the question is, what is your guess and who is right? So I guess that cubes will fit in all the 3 boxes put together. Here Dinga is right. Second question, how can Ganesh and Dinga test their guess before packing the cubes in the boxes? Now test their guess means they are thinking. When we want to pack something, we will think whether we have taken the thing is appropriate or not. So here also they are thinking. In first layer of box B, for A calculation we have done, that is 1200. So here box B have first layer and we can keep 11 into 11, that is 121 cubes. There are 10 such layers, so in box we can arrange 121 into 10, that is 1210 cubes. Same way, in the first layer of box C, we can keep 15 into 9, that is 135 cubes. There are 10 such layers, so in box C, we can arrange 10 layers into 135 cubes, that is 1350 cubes. Now in all 3 boxes, we can arrange 1200 plus 1210 plus 1350 cubes. So it can be 3760 cubes. So in all 3 boxes, we can arrange 3760 cubes. Our next topic is trek to Gangotri. The students of class 12 are going on a trek to Gangotri. They have to pack their bags for 6 days and keep them light. They also have to take things that do not take too much space. So they will look for the things that have both less volume and less weight. After all, they will carry their own bags while climbing the mountains. When we are going for trekking, we have to trek with our bags. So we have to take less things with less volume and weight. They even dry the onions and tomatoes to make them light. 1 kg of onions and tomatoes become 100 grams when the water inside it dried up. The list of food of each person will need 4. Here the food list is given to you. As per this food list, we have to give the answer. For 1 day it is given. We have to find out for 6 days. Each person will need rice and flour is equal to dash. Now flour required per day per person is 100 grams. Same way rice also 100 gram. We can see in the list. So total rice and flour required per day will be 100 gram plus 100 gram, that is 200 gram. So for 6 days 200 gram into 6, that is 1200 grams. So for 6 days each person will need 1200 grams of rice and flour. Second question, pulses equal dash gram. Now here in the list it is said that pulses is 1/3 weight of rice and flour. So weight of rice and flour is 1200. We have to do 1/3 of it. So 1/3 of rice and flour equals 1200 into 1/3, that is 400 gram. Then dried onions is equal to dash gram. Here per day requirement for per person is 10 gram. So for 6 days 6 into 10, that is 60 grams. Next question. How much of fresh tomatoes should be dried for 6 days for 10 people? For 1 kg dried tomatoes, we need 10 kg fresh tomatoes. So for 10 kg, 10 into 10 gram, that is 100 gram. For 6 days, we need to dry 6 into 100, that is 600 grams. Next question is, what is the total weight of food for 6 days in each person's bag? Here are the items and here is the weight. Rice and flour 1200 gram, pulses 400 gram, dried onion 60 gram, oil 300 gram, sugar 300 gram, milk powder 240 gram, tea 60 gram, dalia 240 gram, salt 30 gram and dried tomatoes 60 gram. So total will be 2890 gram. So in everybody's bag 2890 gram will be there. Our next topic is Shahid saves the bank. Shahid works in a bank. He sits at the cash counter. Whenever there are too many coins, he does not count them. He just weighs them. Can you hold these coins and say which is the heaviest? Now here the Shahid was working in a bank and he was cashier. So whenever the coin comes at the cash place, he will not counting. He was just weighing it. He was thinking that weighting is so much easier. The weight of 5 rupee coin is 9 gram. 1 5 rupee contains 9 gram. Tell me the weight of set and I will tell you the number of coin in it. So this is how he was calculating. My weight is of 5 rupee coin is 9 kg. So how many coins does it have? So what he will do? 9 kg divided by 9 grams. Now 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 9 kg is equal to 9000 gram. So 1 coin weighs 9 gram. Then the bag weighing 9000 gram has 9000 divided by 9. That is 1000 coins in it. This is the way we have to calculate and we have to give the answer. First, how many coins are there in the set of 5 rupees coin? Number A, 18 kg. If the bag of weight contains 18 kg, then what will be the weight and what will be weight in gram and how many coins are inserted? 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So weight of 5 rupee coin is 9 gram. Weight of 18 set in grams is equal to 18 multiplied 1000, that is 18,000. So number of 5 rupee coin in 18 kg set is equal to 18,000 divided by 9, that comes to 2000 coins. Same way for 54 kg. Weight of 54 kg set in grams is equal to 54 multiplied by 1000. That comes to 54,000 gram. Now, number of 5 rupee coins in 54 kg sets is equal to 54,000 divided by 9. That comes to 6,000 coins. See, 2 kg and 250 grams. Now, weight of 2 kg and 250 gram sets is equal to 2 into 1000 plus 250 gram. That is 2000 plus 250, 2250 grams. Now, number of 5 rupee coins in 2250 gram set is equal to 2250 divided by 9. That comes to 250 coins. Question number 2. 2 rupee coins weigh 6 kg, 6 gram. What is the weight of a set with 2200 coins? Now we have to find out what kilogram and gram will be 2200 coins have. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Weight of 2 rupee coin is 6 gram given in the question. So weight of say with 2200 coins is equal to 2200 multiplied by 6. It will be 13,200 grams. Now convert these into kilogram and gram. So 13 multiplied 1000 plus 200 gram. That is 13 kg 200 grams. Next, if 101 rupee coin weighs 485 gram, then how much will 10,000 coin weigh? So weight of single 1 rupee coin is, here it is given 485 gram upon 100. So 4.85 gram. Weight of 1000 rupee coin is equal to 10,000 is equal to multiplied 4.85. That is 48,500 gram. Now we will convert this into kilogram and gram. So 48 multiplied 1000 plus 500 gram. That will be 48 kg and 500 grams. Next question is, find out and discuss how do people who cannot see make out different notes and coins. Now this is regarding blind people. So the people who cannot see make out different notes and coins by remembering shape and size of different notes and coins. They touch the coins and they touch the size of notes and then they decide what is the number of rupees. Next question, what should we look for to check if 100 rupee note is real or fake? To check if a 100 rupee note is real or fake, we should see the size, quality of paper and printing or the style in which the number are written on the note. Students, here we are ending up with this chapter. I hope you are clear with all the concepts. Thank you.